Good morning, students. It is a continuation of miscellaneous exercise in the chapter 9, question number 11. Find a particular solution of the differential equation x minus y into dx plus dy equal to dx minus dy. Given that y equal to minus 1 when x equal to 0. Also they have given us hint, put x minus y equal to t. So later we will substitute this. So before that we can divide the equation by dx. So then only we will get dy by dx. So the equation can be written as x minus y into it is 1 plus dy by dx equal to 1 minus dy by dx. As per the hint given, put t equal to x minus y. Therefore, differentiating on both sides we have dt by dx equal to, so with respect to x means 1 minus dy by dx or dy by dx equal to 1 minus dt by dx. So both we have to substitute above. So substituting in the equation, say this is first equation. Substituting in the first equation we have x minus y equal to t into 1 plus dy by dx means 1 minus dt by dx, 1 minus dt by dx equal to, instead of 1 minus dy by dx we put dt by dx. So this is 1 plus 1 2t minus t into dt by dx equal to dt by dx. So bring the term here. So 2t equal to t into dt by dx plus dt by dx or t plus 1 into dt by dx equal to 2t. Now let me write the equation left and right, that is t plus 1 into dt by dx equal to 2t. Now separating the variables and integrating t plus 1 by 2t into dt equal to dx. Integrating on both sides we have plus c. So the LHS is integral t by 2t, that is t by 2t into dt plus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by 2 into 1 by t dt equal to integral dx means x plus c. So this is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 integral dt means t plus 1 by 2 into 1 by t integrating 1 by t, it is log of modulus of t equal to x plus c. This is, take 1 by 2 as common, 1 by 2 into t plus log modulus of t equal to x plus c, or bring the 2 that side. So t plus log of modulus of t equal to 2x plus 2c. 2c means c only. Now t means, recall the value of t, x minus y. So this is x minus y plus log of modulus of x minus y equal to 2x plus c. Now we are given that y equal to minus 1 and x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 means 0 and y equal to minus 1 is minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus log of 0 and minus of minus 1 plus 1 log 1 equal to. So x equal to 0 means 0 plus c. So log 0 1 equal to 0. Therefore we have c equal to 1. Substituting in the above equation. So this is the general solution. So substituting in the general solution we have, the answer is x minus y plus log of modulus of x minus y equal to 2x plus c value is 1 plus 1 Now bring these two terms to the right side. We have log of modulus of x minus y equal to 2x plus 1 minus x plus y, or log of modulus of x minus y equal to 2x minus x is x plus y plus 1. So this is a required particular solution for the given differential equation. Question number 12. Solve the differential equation e power minus 2 root x divided by root x minus y by root x into dx by dy equal to 1, such that x is not equal to 0. When x equal to 0, these are all undefined. So x is not equal to 0. Now let us bring the dx by dy to that side, that is dy by dx. I am writing left and right. So I am bringing right side, but I am writing the dy by dx to the left side. The remaining part is e power minus 2 root x divided by root x minus y by root x. Bring the minus y by root x to the left side, that is dy by dx plus 1 by root x into y. So 1 by root x equal to e power minus 2 root x divided by root x. So the equation now is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p equal to 1 by root x, p equal to 1 by root x, and q equal to e power minus 2 root x divided by root x. For this, that is, it is a linear differential equation in first order, first degree. So we have to find the integrating factor first. So integrating factor means e power integral p dx. So for this type, so that is equal to e power integral p dx means 1 by root x means x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. So that is equal to x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is x power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 means 2. That is generally integrating this 1 by root x means 2 into root x, that is e power 2 into root x. So this is the integrating factor, e power 2 root x. Now the general solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Here y into e power 2 root x is equal to integral q. What is q? E power minus 2 root x divided by root x into integrating factor is e power 2 root x into dx plus c. E power minus 2 root x into e power plus 2 root x equal to e power minus 2 root x plus 2 root x equal to e power 0 equal to 1. So the equation is y into e power 2 root x equal to integral 1 by root x into dx plus c, or y into e power 2 root x equal to 2 root x plus c. So this is a required general solution for the given differential equation. Question number 13. Find a particular solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y cot x plus y cot x equal to 4x cosecant x. X is not equal to 0 because it is undefined in both the cases. So given that y equal to 0 when x equal to pi by 2. Now look at this equation. This is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. So comparing with dy by dx plus py equal to q, we have p equal to cot x, such that q equal to 4x cosecant x. We need to find the integrating factor first, which is equal to e power integral p dx, which is equal to e power integral cot x into dx equal to e power log modulus of sin x equal to sin x only. Therefore, the integrating factor for this differential equation is sin x. The general solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. So, that is y sin x equal to integral 4 into x cosecant x into sin x into dx plus c. So, cosecant x is nothing but 1 by sin x into sin x is 1. So, this is y into sin x equal to 4 into integral x into dx. X into dx means we have x square by 2. So, 4 into x square by 2 plus c. So, this is 2x square. So, y sin x equal to 2x square plus c. We are given that y equal to 0 and x equal to pi by 2. So, y equal to 0 means the entire term is 0 equal to 2 into x equal to pi by 2 means here put pi by 2 the whole square plus c, or c equal to minus pi square by 4 into 2 by 4 into 2, that is pi square by 2. So, c equal to minus pi square by 2. Substituting in above we have here we have. So, the required particular solution is y sin x equal to 2x square minus pi square by 2. So, this is the required particular solution for this given differential equation. Question number 14. Find a particular solution of the differential equation x plus 1 into dy by dx equal to 2 e power minus y minus 1, given that y equal to 0 when x equal to 0. So, separating the variables we have dy by e power 2 e power minus y minus 1 equal to dx by x plus 1. So, integrating on both sides we have 1 plus c. So, the LHS we cannot integrate this directly. So, let us simplify it. 1 by 2 e power minus y minus 1 equal to 1 by 2 e power minus y minus 1 multiply and divide by e power y. So, we can have a substitution for the e power y. So, that is equal to e power y divided by 2 into e power minus y into e power y, e power 0 equal to 1. So, it is 2 minus 1 into e power y only. So, rewriting this here we have integral e power y divided by 2 minus e power y into dy equal to. So, this is 1 by something. So, log of modulus of x plus 1 plus log c, because we can have substitution for this. This will be also modulus, so that this will be also log of something. So, put log c is for better result. So, put t equal to 2 minus e power y. So, dt equal to 2 is 0 minus e power y into dy. So, minus dt equal to e power y into dy. So, substituting all the values here, it is integral 1 by t. So, 2 e power 2 minus e power y equal to t and e power y into dy equal to minus dt equal to log c into modulus of x plus 1. Log a plus log b equal to log ab. So, this is minus 1 by t means log of modulus of t equal to log c into modulus of x plus 1, modulus of x plus 1. This is minus log of what is t? T equal to 2 minus e power y, 2 minus e power y equal to log c into x plus 1. So, minus term, we can bring the minus term, that will be log of 1 by 2 minus e power y. So, which is equal to log of c into modulus of x plus 1. That means eliminating log on both sides. So, that is taking anti-log, we have 1 by 2 minus e power y equal to c into x plus 1. So, bring the term that side, that is 1 by 1 by x plus 1, 1 by x plus 1 equal to c into 2 minus e power y. So, this is a general solution, but we are given some values for finding the particular solution. So, let me rub the board and find the value of c. When x equal to 0, y equal to 0, that means 1 by x equal to 0 means 0 plus 1, 1 by 1 equal to 1. So, 1 equal to c into 2 minus c into 2 minus e power 0. E power 0 means 1. So, 2 minus 1, 1 into c. So, c equal to 1. So, substituting in this, we have 1 by x plus 1 equal to 2 minus e power y. So, bring the e power minus y here and bring this 1 by x plus 1 to the right side. So, minus e power y become e power y equal to 2 minus 1 by x plus 1. So, taking LCM, 2x plus 2 minus 1 divided by x plus 1. So, this is equal to e power y equal to 2x, 2 minus 1, 1, 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. This may be the solution, or taking log on both sides, e power y become y, the RHS become log of modulus of 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. So, this is a required particular solution for this differential equation. Next question number 15. The population of a village increases continuously at the rate of population to the number of its inhabitants present at any time. That means, so the population, the rate of increase of population is directly proportional to the population at any time t. So, this is what that meaning. And if the population of the village was 20,000 in 1999. So, initially they have a census in 1999. So, that is a starting period. So, at the time the population is 20,000. So, in the year 2004 it was 25,000. And what will be the population of the village in 2019? That is when the book is written, that is the anticipated population in 2009. So, let us start with the beginning. Let P be the population. Let P be the population at city at any time t. At any time t. Any time t. So, the population change in population or increase in population with respect to time is directly proportional to the population at any time t. That means, so when the time by time the population is gradually increases. So, it is directly proportional to the population. Now, dp by dt equal to some constant into p, where k is a constant of proportionality. Now, separating the variables and integrating, integral dp by p equal to k into integral dt plus c, or log p equal to kt plus log c, or log p minus log c equal to kt, or log of p by c equal to kt, or p by c equal to e power kt. So, p equal to c e power kt. So, this is the general differential, solution for this. So, general solution. Here it is a population and C is a constant of integration and K is a constant of proportionality. Now, initially they had a census in 1999. In 1999, at the time they started the census. So, the time taken as 0 and the corresponding population in the city is 20,000. So, let us take this as equation as first equation. So, substituting in above 20,000 equal to C into, so put 0 for T. So, 0 into K 0, e power 0 is 1, therefore, the C value is 20,000. Substituting in the first equation we have P equal to 20,000 into e power kt. Say this is second equation. Again, in 2004, that means over a period of 5 years. So, from the 1999 to 2004, the time is 5 years. So, take T as 5. The population is given as 25,000. So, the population P equal to 25,000. Substituting in the second equation, that is 25,000 equal to 20,000 into e power T is 5. So, 5k. So, simplifying this, we have e power 5k equal to 25 by 20 or 5 by 4. So, this means e power 5k, value of e power 5k is 5 by 4. Again, they are asking us what will the population of village in 2009. In 2009, that means over a period of 10 years. So, the T can be taken as 10 years. So, and population is to be calculated. So, substituting again in the second equation, that is in the second equation we have we need to calculate the value of population P equal to 20,000 into e power. So, T equal to 10. So, 10k, e power 10k, that can be written as 20,000 into e power 5k the whole square. So, a power m into a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n. So, accordingly 2 into 5 10k. So, 10k can be written as e power 5k the whole square, that is 20,000 into e power 5k. We have the value 5 by 4 the whole square equal to 25 by 16. So, eliminating 16, it is 1250 and 1250 into 25 is 31,250. So, this will be the anticipated population in the year 2019. So, this is the answer. Question number 16. The general solution of the differential equation y dx. Question number 16. Y dx minus x dy divided by y equal to 0 is. Now, this is y by y into dx minus x by y into dy equal to 0, or x by y into dy equal to dx, or dy by y equal to dx by x. Integrating on both sides we have plus c. So, this is log y equal to log x plus log c, or log y equal to log of cx. So, taking anti-log on both sides, y equal to cx. So, this is a required general solution for this differential equation. The option is C. So, the option is C. Next question number 17 is a deleted portion, deleted one. So, let us straightly go to question number 18. Question number 18. Question number 18 is e power x into dy plus y e power x plus 2x into dx equal to 0 is, first divide by dx, divide the equation by dx. We have e power x into dy by dx plus, so this is y e power x plus 2x equal to 0. So, bring the stem there, that is e power x into dy by dx equal to minus y e power x plus 2x. So, divide by e power x, divide by e power x on both sides. So, this is dy by dx equal to minus y, divided by e power x means minus y, and plus 2x into e power minus x. 2x divided by e power x or 2x into e power minus x. So, first, so divided by dx. So, we can bring the equation as e power x into dy by dx plus y e power x plus 2x, and next, so bring this term to the right side. So, this is of minus, I am sorry. So, everything is minus, and bring by e power x, divide by e power x. Now, so bring the minus y term to the left side, that is dy by dx plus y equal to minus 2x e power minus x. So, this is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p equal to 1 and q equal to minus 2x e power minus x. So, integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx equal to e power 1 dx equal to x only. So, e power x. Therefore, if equal to integrating factor equal to e power x only. Now, the solution, y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. So, dx plus c. So, y into e power x equal to integral q means minus 2x e power minus x into e power x into dx plus c. So, this is 1, y e power x minus equal to minus 2 into, so integral x dx means x square by 2 plus c. So, eliminating 2, we have y e power x, bring the minus x square to the left side, plus x square equal to c. So, this is the required general solution. So, now verify the answer. So, the option here also it is C. The C option is y e power x plus x square equal to C. Therefore, for this question also the option is C. Thank you very much.